we're diving into something truly extraordinary, something that pushes the boundaries of luxury travel and futuristic engineering. This is the all-new 2026 GMC Motorhome, a masterpiece on wheels that redefines what it means to move in style, comfort, and high-tech sophistication. GMC has always been known for blending innovation with power, but this time they've taken a massive leap into the future. And in this video, we're going to explore its exterior design, its powerful performance, and a short look at the interior that makes this motorhome one of the most luxurious machines ever created. Let's start by talking about the exterior because that is where the 2026 GMC Motorhome makes its strongest first impression. The moment you look at it, you realize this is not just a motorhome, this is a futuristic mobile mansion crafted with precision. The body design is sleek, bold, and unbelievably aerodynamic for a vehicle of this size. The primary color theme, a blend of metallic silver, deep black, and warm golden accents, gives it a commanding presence whether it's parked or on the move. The design lines are smooth and sculpted, giving this massive structure a futuristic personality rather than the bulky boxy shape we're used to seeing in traditional RVs. GMC has clearly focused on both function and beauty here. Every curve and every edge has a purpose, whether it's reducing drag or highlighting the modern profile of the motorhome. The lighting setup is another major highlight. The front features a dramatic LED arrangement that stretches across the width of the vehicle, giving it a signature look even from far away. The golden LED strips integrated along the edges add elegance and also enhance nighttime visibility. The motorhome sits on massive, premium alloy wheels that add to the aggressive yet luxurious stance. The lower body is sculpted in a way that makes this giant machine appear lighter and more aerodynamic. The side panels include futuristic black-tinted glass windows that seamlessly merge into the body surface, enhancing the premium feel. The retractable steps, hidden compartments, digital access systems, and smooth automatic doors make the exterior not just beautiful, but intelligent. GMC has managed to blend sci-fi influence with real-world engineering, resulting in an exterior that looks like it belongs to the future. Now let's move on to performance, an area where GMC has truly surprised everyone. For a motorhome of this size, one would expect something slow, heavy, and tough to maneuver, but the 2026 GMC Motorhome breaks all those stereotypes. Under the body lies a powerful hybrid powertrain designed for maximum efficiency and high torque. The vehicle combines a turbocharged engine with an advanced electric motor system, offering a seamless driving experience. The combination not only boosts power but also ensures better fuel efficiency, making long journeys more cost-effective and eco-friendly. The acceleration is shockingly smooth for a machine of this magnitude. Drivers will feel a refined surge of power that responds quickly to the throttle, and the noise reduction technology keeps the cabin incredibly quiet during travel. The suspension system is engineered with adaptive terrain control, meaning the motorhome adjusts its height, stability, and shock absorption automatically depending on the road conditions. Whether you're cruising on highways, climbing mountain roads, or driving through uneven terrain, the 2026 GMC Motorhome maintains impressive stability. Braking performance is equally remarkable, thanks to large ventilated brakes and an advanced electronic braking system that reacts instantly to driver input. The steering system is responsive and surprisingly light, giving the driver great confidence even in tighter spaces. GMC has also added multiple driver assistance features like lane monitoring, automatic distance control, blind spot alerts, 360-degree camera monitoring, and AI-assisted navigation, making long-distance driving safer and more enjoyable. This motorhome doesn't just take you to your destination, it makes the journey smooth, controlled, and stress-free. And now let's take a short look at the interior, which is one of the biggest reasons why this model stands out. Inside the 2026 GMC Motorhome, luxury reaches a whole new level. The moment you step inside, you're welcomed by warm golden ambient lighting that flows along the ceiling, the flooring, and the edges of the furniture. The color palette blends soft gray, matte black, and warm metallic tones, creating a modern, relaxing living environment. Every surface feels premium, from the high-quality leather seating to the glossy paneling and the metallic trims that line the walls and cabinets. The living area includes luxurious seating with soft-touch materials, built-in heating and cooling, and smart control panels embedded into the armrests. The panoramic smart glass windows bring in natural light during the day and turn into tinted privacy screens at the touch of a button. The entertainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a surround sound setup, a massive display, and seamless connectivity for devices. As you move further inside, the kitchen area stands out with top-of-the-line appliances, touch-control cooking surfaces, a hidden refrigerator, and a premium stone countertop that lights up subtly with LED illumination. The bedroom provides the comfort of a 5-star hotel suite, with a floating king-size bed, soft underbed lighting, and large storage units designed with a futuristic aesthetic. The bathroom follows the same design language, offering a spa-like experience with a rainfall shower, smart glass walls, and premium fixtures that feel handcrafted. Everything inside the 2026 GMC Motorhome is designed to give you comfort, convenience, and elegance no matter where the road takes you. The 2026 GMC Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade, a perfect blend of futuristic design, high-end performance, and unmatched interior luxury. If you're someone who values travel without compromising comfort, this machine is built for you. Thanks for watching this detailed review here on my channel, and if you enjoyed this breakdown of GMC's groundbreaking new motorhome, make sure to subscribe for more luxury vehicle reviews and future tech updates.